guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, on today's recipe I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my delicious and mouth-watering lumpy egusi soup. So guys, if you want to make this in your house, do stay tuned as we go through all the list of the ingredients and the process of achieving this delicacy. Let's get started. So right here I have my washed bitter leaf, my red palm oil, some sweet chili pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper, and onion. So right here I have my blended egusi, which comes like this. And I have my grinded crayfish. I have my stock powder, of which you're free to use any one of your choice. I have my green vegetable, which is ugu, known as pumpkin leaf. So I'm going to start seasoning my beef with some salt, chicken stock powder, some thyme, some curry powder, garlic, that's my homemade garlic paste, my ginger paste, and I'm going to add in some nicely diced onion. And I will go ahead and blend my sweet chili pepper and my Scotch bonnet pepper, of which I'm going to use it to steam this beef to give it that nice taste. Okay, so guys, you're free to use any spices of your choice to season your beef. So after giving it a nice stir, I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook for about 10 minutes so it will absorb all those nice spices. And I'm going to go ahead and add in my hot boiling water into the pot so the beef can cook furthermore. So in case you're wondering, in my pot I have some beef, some strong chicken, and stockfish. So you're free to use any beef and any season of your choice. So right here I have thoroughly washed my pumpkin leaf, and I'm going to take the leaves off the stem. If you don't have this fresh one, you can make do with any green veggies like your spinach or even dry pumpkin leaf. It's going to work well as well. So guys, right now I'm going to start prepping my egusi, which I'm going to be seasoning with one chicken stock because I want my egusi to have that nice taste as it's going to be lumpy. So I'm going to add in some diced onion, and I will add in some water from my beef stock, from the beef I have in my pot. So guys, this process is very important. You have to season up your egusi because you're going to make it lumpy. So you don't want to be eating while your egusi is not tasty. So at this process, I'm going to use my wooden stick to work on this egusi. I'm going to give it a nice stir to mix it up for about 3 to 5 minutes. So right now my beef is properly cooked. I'm going to set it aside so I can start making my egusi. So I will transfer in my palm oil into a clean pot. So guys, you don't want to bleach your oil, just allow the oil to hot a bit and start using your spoon to scoop the egusi into your oil, just like balls as I have in my pot. So after scooping in your egusi, all you just have to do is allow one part to cook for about 5 minutes on a very low heat because you don't want it to get burnt. Then you carefully use your spoon to flip it over to the other side so it will also get cooked. So guys, after this process, I'm going to take my egusi and transfer it inside my boiling stock. So when I'm done transferring, I'm going to add in my bitter leaf at this time because the bitter leaf is very bitter, so I want it to cook more, and I will cover it up without stirring it and allow it to cook for about 5 minutes. And at this process, you need your fire to be on a medium heat because you don't want your egusi to get burnt. So I will give it a little stir. And I will go ahead and add in my grinded crayfish. So guys, do check out the description box for all the full list of the ingredients I'm using. So I'm going to cover again and allow it to cook further. So guys, at this moment you can see how nice this egusi looks. So lumpy. Yeah, so I'm still going to keep on stirring it because I want it to loosen up a bit. But if you don't want your egusi to loosen up, if you want it very lumpy, at this time your egusi soup is ready. So I'm going to be adding my fried fish. And I'm going to add in my pumpkin leaf at this time, and I'm going to allow the pumpkin leaf to cook for just 2 to 3 minutes as I want it very green and fresh. So I'm going to add in more diced onion as I love loads of onion in my egusi soup because it gives it that nice flavor. So if you don't like, you can skip this part of the onion, but for me, I just love loads of onion in my egusi soup. So I'm going to be stirring it so the vegetable can cook for just 2 to 3 minutes. So guys, you can see how nice and delicious this soup looks like. So if you love this recipe, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, give it that big like so it will help this video. Also subscribe if you've not done so. Drop a comment letting me know if you love this recipe or you're gonna try it. Thank you very much for watching. So guys, that's your delicious lumpy egusi soup over there. But for me, I am going to be adding in a little bit of water to loosen it up here. So you can see I just rinse my blender and add in more water because I want to loosen that lumpy a bit more. The soup is just too lumpy for me. Okay, thank you very much guys for watching this delicious lumpy egusi soup. I am going to be making hot curry, like hot eba. to dig in this soup. Guys, if you know the justice that hot eba can do to this lumpy egusi soup, oh god, and the juice in the soup running down from your hand, if you know, you know. Yeah. Wow, look at that smoke. Oh my god, this soup is smoky delicious. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and see you on my next recipe. Bye bye.